The U.S. Department of Health reports over 1,000 hospitals spanning all 50 states are critically short on staff as the COVID-19 pandemic infects record numbers of Americans day after day.
I have never seen so much death and so much sickness in the past 2 weeks than I have in my entire 10 years in healthcare.
In North Dakota, which has one of the highest death tolls per capita, Air Force nurses are being called in to alleviate staff shortages. In Oregon, new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are setting daily records. Other states are seeing dramatic spikes in positivity rates, too.
It's rather shocking, but about 1 in every 49 Coloradans are contagious with this.
Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles is one of hundreds of sites across the country flooded with people lining up to be tested.
Right now, we have a pandemic that is completely out of control. And the reason it's out of control is we still don't have the public health infrastructure to test, trace, and isolate. And without that, people can't know their status. They go about their lives and they infect other people.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is recommending people not travel this Thanksgiving holiday. But the American Automobile Association predicts close to 50 million Americans will go out of town to celebrate with loved ones.
We felt like we're being safe and he's going to get tested before he sees his grandma.
Many college students feel they had no choice but to come home.
Campus actually is closing their dorm, living in the actual dorm.
More shutdowns have been ordered. No more indoor dining at restaurants in several U.S. cities, including Philadelphia.
Business is so bad at the moment that we're not making rent.
A new study by the CDC has found government mandates that require masks dramatically slow the spread of COVID-19. Yet some states are making masks mandatory, while others still are not. That state-by-state approach to fighting the pandemic is something President-elect Joe Biden plans to change when he takes office January 20th. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.